Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shared calendar in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. First, go to your web and search for Microsoft.com. Now once you're here, click on the sign in button. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to your Microsoft Team dashboard. On the left side of the screen, click on the calendar button. In here, choose the date that you want, then click on it. Now once you're in the preferred date, give a title on it, enter a name or email, edit the time, the date, and if you want it on repeat, add location and more details. On the right side of the screen, click on people who were invited. In here, you can choose if you want to invite everyone, only me, or those who were invited only by you. I will choose everyone. Then, after that, click on save. And there you have it. You have created a shared calendar. But if you want to send it privately, just click on copy and send it through message. And that's it. That's how you create a shared calendar in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.